Look at these scribbles. I did not type it up fancy. I will at some point, but... Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica Lucas, and this video is about simplifying your life with meal planning and grocery shopping. So if you're new to my channel, welcome! If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope this video helps you. When you're simplifying your life and you start looking at all the areas where you spend time, meal planning and grocery shopping was an area that I needed to streamline. I just felt like I was spending more time thinking about what to make for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I had actually over the summer tried something from Life in the Mundane that worked really, really well, which is a seasonal fixed menu. I'm gonna do it again for the winter because it worked really, really well. So I'll talk about that. I'm also gonna talk about my recipe binder and how I plan. And then I'm also gonna show you how I grocery shop. And the way that I'm doing this is meant to take up less of my time and be more cost effective. When it comes to meal planning and grocery shopping, I simplify my life by planning ahead, months at a time. So I plan a season menu. I might have some variations or skip a meal or something like that, but otherwise it's a pretty fixed menu for 3 months. Therefore the groceries are predictable. I can make sure I use up everything that I've purchased from the store, and I don't have to think about it. I already thought about it. I spent about 20 minutes thinking about it and planning it, and then that's it for 3 months. I've also organized my recipe binder by subject, and then within there, I also have a table of contents for each one, and I'll show you that. When I turn to the sausage one, I see 6 recipes that I have for sausage, and they're in order, and I don't have to flip through each recipe or flip through my binder. I just look at the table of contents for that section. The other thing I did was removing snacks. This was my husband's idea, and it was genius. The kids were snacking too much and not eating the meals. So we were cooking and making this food, and they weren't eating because they were snacking. Does that mean my kids don't snack? No. What it means is that they can snack on fruit and yogurt any point. I just have those available. And then we have 3 scheduled meals. I used to plan a morning snack and an afternoon snack, and it's great. They actually eat their meals. And then if they're still hungry or they need a bedtime snack, we have yogurt and fruit, and it works really, really well. In our area, we have Giant, and so I use their app, Peapod Delivery, and I can actually create a winter shopping list in my app. So I went ahead and did that after I'd made my winter menu. I put all of the ingredients that I would need in one shopping list, so that when I am shopping every week or every other week, I can just shop for what I need, put it in the cart, and purchase. I have groceries delivered for the most part. When we run out of something that I know we're gonna need, I just go into my app, add it to my cart, and save it. And then I can save it until I'm ready to schedule for delivery. If I have over $100, the delivery is waived. So I just plan ahead and make sure that I have over that amount for grocery delivery. My friend Jessica at Fields Full House, I've mentioned her before, but I'm mentioning her again because she put out a video about how to do Walmart's grocery pickup. So easy, where you do everything in the app, just like I do, and then you go to the store, pull into a very special spot, let them know you're there. They put the groceries in your car, and you're on your way. Over the last 2 months, I've only been buying the groceries we need. It was an adjustment for me. It was a change. I used to get 3 boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios just so I had them. And I would put 2 downstairs in kitchen overflow. I'll leave a link for my kitchen declutter here, but we don't use that anymore. And I don't buy things that way anymore. I buy it when we need it. When we finish a box of Honey Nut Cheerios, we wait until the next grocery order. My kids wait until the next grocery order. And that's just how it is now. That's probably pretty normal. And I make a meal, and while we're trying to teach the kids that it's mealtime, you need to eat, I make things that I know they would like to eat. If they don't eat, they can snack on fruit and yogurt and wait for the next meal. That is not the way we operated before. I have a new friend as a result of this channel. Her name is Amy Brown. I'll share her Instagram here, and I'll put a link for her below. Amy helps moms take back the busy, and she helps you lead a more simple and productive life. She focuses on 4 pillars: faith, finance, family, and health, wellness. And she's fantastic. She's so sweet. She's a gorgeous, gorgeous lady. check her out. If you're on Instagram, go over, follow her page. So she's just a beautiful person inside and out. And she's been commenting on my videos, and we connected further on Instagram, and I genuinely enjoy chatting with her. She's really, really sweet. So please check her out. The reason I'm mentioning her is that she used this phrase, chasing busy, and it just hit me, and I just stopped what I was doing, and I really gave that a lot of thought. Like, you know what? That's a thing. We're chasing busy, especially as moms, right? We're always chasing busy. We're always doing something, or we're always doing multiple things at the same time, right? I mean, that's what we're famous for. Her expression made me not want to chase busy. I want simpler. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have not already, please click the subscribe link below. If you tap that notification bell, it will alert you when I put up new videos. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays about minimalism, decluttering, mom life, recipes, simplifying your life, homeschool. That's what I share.